Meet the Teton Pivot Arm Cot. Not only are they comfortable, they're tough. In fact, they're the toughest cots we've ever made. How tough, you may ask? Tough enough to withstand 99 monkeys jumping on the bed. Tough enough to support over 600 pounds of fresh-cut lumber. Tough enough to hold up against an MVP linebacker. Tough enough to hold up a 5-time sumo wrestling champion. And tough enough to withstand a Bigfoot attack. The Teton Pivot Arm Cot is tough in every way, except the setup. This cot isn't just tough, it's Teton tough.
Hello guys, today we'll be reviewing the King Camp Oversized Folding Camping Cot for adults. This version is the black version. As you can tell, it comes in a black pouch. Let's go and look at it. With the King Camp logo right there. It comes with a little tag on it that gives a little bit more specifics on it. It is 14 pounds. It can hold up to 441 pounds or 200 kilos. This particular model is made of anti-rust, high-strength aerial aluminum with a large load capacity of, again, 400 pounds or 200 kilos. This material is actually a material that is breathable in design. It is an anti-tear polyester fabric and is very easy to set up. It is very large, so individuals that are 6'2" can comfortably sit on this, lay on this, and not have to worry about feeling uncomfortable. The size of this cot is 75 inches by 25 inches and 4.7 feet. It's good for hiking, good for outdoor trips, indoor use as well, ideal for office naps and things of that nature. It's ultra light and portable, and it's very easy to set up. It's only 4 pounds, about 4 pounds. Okay, bring it out. You see it's very large. Let me go and adjust the camera so you can see how large this item is. Can you see that? There you go. So now let's go and see how durable this is. I am about 185 pounds, and you can see, you walk on it, no problem. Okay, and lay on it, easy. Perfectly, very comfortable actually, very comfortable. The other nice thing is it comes with a side pouch in which you can actually add some materials such as iPads, magazines, and other things, as you can see here. It is very light, again, very light. So if I want, I can easily fold it up. Again, you just bring up one side, fold up, okay? And you can just start stuffing this bad boy in the bag. So let's go and do that right now. So again, I like to fold my bags one time before I put my things in, and then I just wrap over. And there you go. Easy peasy. Again, very light, as you can see. Go on your back. Good for a hike, good for a stroll, good for camping, good for hiking, all those things. Again, King Camp Adult Ultra Wide Camping Cot for adults. Check it out. The aluminum is very thick, very strong. Let's go and look at the aluminum so you can see how thick these items are. If you can see, I'm not sure if you can see that, but normally, for example, my folding chair, the metal tubing or aluminum tubing is much thinner than this. So when they say that this will hold up to 400 pounds, I 100% believe that. So again, check it out. This is the tag that it comes with. Pretty cool. The information in English, Russian, all kinds of languages. Yeah, cool. King Camp. you.